Welcome, I'm filming the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD into this device. Now to get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. I have one laying right here. Now this thing comes provided in the box with the device, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one on the end, and it should work just as well. So from here, let's select the device and pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, right over here. Now when you're trying to insert it or push out the tray, make sure that the tool, or whatever you want to call it, is a little bit like lower position as it is right now. It's kind of hanging. If you try to push it higher, it will kind of go under the tray and won't push it out. You will feel the difference once you actually get it correctly. So from here, you can see that it pops out. Take it out, and then here you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So let's place, I'm gonna use only 1 of each, like so. Now make sure that they're laying flush on the tray as they are right now, and also while holding them securely, you wanna slide it back into the device. Like so, and let's wait for the pin for the SIM card. There we go. As you can see, SIM card is working, and SD card should be working as well, which you can see right here. So that is how you insert SIM and SD. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.